First thing you want to do is get this wheel off and out of your way. Alright, first thing you want to do is you got to either remove this cotter pin, or in my case, because it's so rusty, probably should cut the end off of it where it wraps around. By any means necessary. That one. All right, there's that. Yeah, the socket itself, the nut itself is a 19. Alright, after you get your nut driven on there, I figured I'd save your guys the ears. Impact it off. Alright, after it's off, take your castle nut, set it down on there right before the threads. A couple blows with a hammer. There we are. Have a little bit. And she's dropped. Is the ABS sensor, and well, it's a size 12, but we're gonna hope it doesn't break. Oh. I may be hooking a tie rod in here momentarily. There we go. Alright, very cool. Once it's broke free, you can just pull it right out, but get it to break free is another thing. There we go. It's starting to slide out. Every bit of my fed up being is wanting to just rip this out, but I know I can't. Yeah. Okay, so go ahead, loop it back out of my way. And in the end of the sway bar end link is on the stud part is an Allen head. It's a size 5, and the nut is a 14. I'm going to try the locking 2 wrenches together for leverage and see what happens while the ratchet rests against the axle. Ooh. Damn. I'm hoping it's loosening it up and not stripping out the Allen head part, but we'll see. Alright. And it's out. But yeah, the next part is actual the ball joint. So, moving on. Alright. Next thing I gotta do is I gotta get this cotter pin out and get this nut off for the ball joint. It is a size 19. Now, alright, see if I can get this off here. Alright, let's graduate to the ratchet. Yep. Alright, that's off. Now, to actually break it free from the control arm. Alright, I have a pry bar up into the frame. I'll thread a castle nut on there a little bit. Okay, now, hopefully, with tension down on the control arm, alright. I've been pounding on that ball joint for about a half hour now. So I have decided, since I'm replacing the control arm, and bushings and all that stuff, and I'm replacing the actual knuckle and rebuilding it, rebuilding the new knuckle with wheel bearings and all that fun stuff, new backing plates. I ain't got time to hem haul all this crap, so I'm just going to take this out as all one unit. Now I'm going to be removing the caliper, obviously the ABS sensor, rotor, stuff like that. But yeah, because this is ridiculous. It is so crusty that the stuff is just literally seized together. So let me gather all my junk and get this off of here. Alright, get this caliper off here. It is a 14 for the caliper bolt itself. Alright. Okay. Alright. it off. Good old trusty J hook. Go ahead and hang it from the coil. Coil spring, I mean, you know what I mean. Alright, next up is the caliper bracket itself, and it takes a 17. Now, some of this stuff isn't super crazy tight because actually I did a brake job not too long ago. That's what kind of alarmed me to everything of how bad it's gotten. When I say not too long ago, I mean like maybe like a year and a half. But I just didn't have the money. Some part of that working poor while people stand there and check their food stamp balance on their $1,300 cell phone anyway. Alright, next up, get this rotor off. But these things can actually rust to the hub, so we're gonna hope for the best. I did not want to bolt that tie rod in there in this old ass, but I may have to. There we go. Look at that. All right. Next is this 32mm axle nut right here. Okay. All right. Then, okay, the axle's actually already loose. Now, onto the control arm. Alright, first sway bar bolt up to bat is the front one. This guy right here, which takes a 17 on both sides. I already got a wrench on the back. Alright, I'm going to try to use my longest ratchet I have anyway, because my breaker bar actually will not fit. So I'm using a piece of exhaust pipe that I found laying around, and let's try it. Maybe if I can just get it to start, I'll use the impact on it. May not need to. Nope. Something I gotta say about these ratchets, and I think this was a cheap ratchet. It wasn't even, not cheap, but I mean, relatively. It's not snap-on or none of that stuff. Alright. Should be able to twist it off the end now. Alright, there she is. Believe it or not, it's just going to slide out this end. actually, I lied. Oh, there we go. Knock my light off, but anyways, it's out. Alright, you got 2 bolts to hold this mount in. One right there through the frame. And then one up there to the body. Alright, using a good old impact. There's one. There's 2. Oh. All right, I guess new time is any, I guess. Oh. All right. Shit. Okay, got one out. And got the other one out. Alright. Well, it didn't come crashing down. I think it's gonna be fun to get out. Oh shit. Okay, there's you. All right, and it's out. Hell yeah.